review or like a haul. I don't know what you would call this. Pura Vida. I do the Pura Vida monthly club. Got it for Christmas. If you haven't watched my Christmas video, go check it out. Let's open it up. I can't open this. I need scissors. Okay, finally. Okay, so first things first, we have this card. It says Pura Vida bracelets, and on the back it says thank you. Founded in Costa Rica, each person helps provide full-time jobs for artisans worldwide. And then it tells you what you can do if you want a free bracelet, and then their Instagram. Pura Vida bracelets. This comes with every single one. Yeah, and then on the back it says how this has to be my favorite sticker so far. This is so cute. Okay, Pura Vida, you never know when you're gonna get your package, cause like last month I got it at a different time than this month, so like you never really know. There's no specific day you're gonna get it, so it's just like a surprise. So it comes in this like little baggie. It's actually really big compared to like the little, like when you buy a single one. Okay. Oh, okay. Ooh. Okay. Really sticky actually. But I'm guessing the theme's like ocean, wave. So those are what are in my January ones. I love you, I love you, I love you, I love you, I love you. Because I didn't do a November and December one, I'm gonna show you what they were. So this month's package was probably what would I say? A 9 out of 10. Cause I mean, I love this sticker, I love these, but just like some of them, it's like, that's okay. So if you guys want to see more of these packages, then comment down below yes. If you don't, comment down below no, so I know if I should make more or not. So that's all for today's video. Like, subscribe, and comment down below anything you want.
Okay, action! So Dallas just wanted to let y'all know to turn on her post notifications and like, subscribe, comment any video suggestions that you have for her to do next. Thank y'all. She loves you. Scene. Woo! Okay, I'm going to bed.